and today we're going to show you another great use of Instantbond. Now, what we have here is this job's got to go out right away. We are going to use Instantbond to hold the board in place, all right? So this has to go out right away within 1 hour, and this has to be used. So what we'll do here is we'll use our PL, okay? And of course, this is going to take 24 hours to hold. Of course, we don't have that kind of time. Okay? So what we'll do here is we're going to apply the accelerator first, okay? Deliberately in the corners. So what I'm going to do is put this in the corners, put the adhesive in the corners here, so that way it's going to hold it, okay? Just a drop like that, like that. Now you can use this with silicone, any type of adhesive that requires some time. Okay, so there you go. Now all I have to do is place this on top. My marks. And there you have it. Let's put a weight on top of here. Weight. Use something heavy. That's already got. So now the Instantbond will hold and will allow the PL to harden overnight. So that way it can be used. And look at that, it's already gripped, can't be moved. So that's what you do. Another great use for Instantbond. This is Rick. Until next time,